Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fraya from SKYMARD Heavy Industry, which is the largest exporter of engineering machinery for over 16 years. We have cooperated with more than 150 countries worldwide. Today, I'm so excited to take you a tour of the SANY factory, a global leader in construction machinery. Now let me introduce today's star, the SANY 30mm concurrent pump truck. This impressive machine measures 10,320mm in length and 2,530mm in width and 3,950mm in height. It's a true powerhouse. This machine is equipped with SANY self-developed chassis and Deutz engine, compliant with Euro 6 emission standard. This combination delivers an exceptional load-bearing capacity, robust power, and low fuel consumption, ensuring a stable operation in diverse operating sites. Next, let's talk about the pumping system. This pumping truck delivers outstanding performance with a high outlet pressure, 10 megapascals, large displacement, 125 steer per hour. The 90mm large swing cylinder ensures a smooth, continuous flow of concrete, minimizing the risk of blockages. This machine features a 5-section boom, offering exceptional flexibility on the job site. Each section has a wide rotation angle, allowing precise positioning for even the most challenging construction tasks. The ergonomically designed cab ensures a comfortable and efficient working environment for the operator. It's equipped that are easy. Maintenance is also a breeze, thanks to the large maintenance doors and strategically placed components, reduce downtime and boosting productivity. The SANY 30mm boom pump truck is the ultimate choice for reliable and efficient construction equipment. If you like to know about SANY or other Chinese machinery, please feel free to contact me.